I've been using the Mettle Business Bank Account for a while now, and in this video, I'm giving you my honest and unbiased review of whether it's a smart choice for small business owners and freelancers in 2025. Mettle is a digital business account backed by NatWest, offering a fee-free alternative to traditional business banking. The setup process is quick, usually done within 24 hours, and the app itself is clean, modern, and easy to navigate. It includes useful features like automated expense categorization, receipt capture, invoice creation, and integration with accounting software like FreeAgent. For sole traders and small businesses that want a straightforward, no-fuss banking experience, Mettle ticks a lot of boxes. But there are some limitations to be aware of. First, Mettle doesn't offer credit or overdraft facilities, which could be a downside for businesses that rely on cash flow support. There's also no physical branch access or check deposits, as everything is managed digitally. And while customer support is generally responsive through in-app chat, it's not 24/7, which may be inconvenient if issues arise outside working hours. Some users have also noted delays when sending or receiving larger payments, which can be frustrating for time-sensitive transactions. Overall, Mettle is a great option for startups, freelancers, and small business owners who want a simple, digital-first banking experience with zero monthly fees. It's not ideal for more complex businesses or those needing credit facilities, but for everyday banking, it gets the job done. I hope this review helped you decide if Mettle fits your business needs. If it did, support the channel with a super thanks, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews. See you next one.